Imagine standing on the moon, gazing at Earth, a blue marble floating in the vastness of space. It's a vision that has captivated humanity for generations. But what if I told you that living on the moon is not just science fiction, but a reality within our grasp? Welcome to the next frontier in space exploration, moon bases. But why do we need a base on the moon? And what are the colossal challenges we must overcome to build one? As Earth's resources dwindle and space exploration advances, the moon could become our stepping stone to the stars. It offers abundant resources like water ice in its shadowed craters and raw materials for fuel and construction. Establishing a base on the moon could also serve as a launch pad for missions to Mars and beyond. But the path to making the moon our second home is fraught with challenges. The moon is a harsh mistress. On the lunar surface, temperatures can soar to 127 degrees Celsius during the day and plummet to minus 173 degrees Celsius at night. And without an atmosphere, the surface is bombarded by deadly radiation and micrometeorites. Radiation levels are 200 times higher than on Earth, a constant threat to both humans and equipment. Surviving here is no easy task. So, how do we protect ourselves? The answer? Go underground. Imagine a lunar base built beneath the surface, shielded by meters of rock and soil. An underground base offers natural protection against radiation, temperature extremes, and micrometeorites. It's a haven in the heart of the moon. But even this solution comes with its own set of challenges. Building an underground base on the moon requires unprecedented ingenuity. The logistics alone are staggering. Transporting materials and machinery from Earth is costly and complex. We'll need to develop new technologies like automated drilling machines and 3D printers using lunar soil to construct habitats deep beneath the surface. But the rewards are immense. An underground base could support long-term missions, act as a hub for scientific research, and even open the door to lunar mining, tapping into resources that could fuel future space exploration. The challenges are formidable, but they are not insurmountable. The moon has always been a symbol of human ambition, and now it could become our gateway to the cosmos. The dream of living on the moon is closer than ever before, and as we set our sights on the stars, the moon will be our first giant leap. The future is out there, waiting for us. Will we rise to the challenge? Do answer in comments what do you think about moon bases. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe to the channel for more. We'll see you soon. Take care.